Hey guys, I'm back at the restore. First let's see what's back here. So, this bin just came in. I haven't looked in it yet. Didn't see anything fan related off the cuff. Of course, there could be buried. So back here there's a little craft made. Forgot about that one. I meant to do that one today. Old hugger. Another old hugger. Newer hugger. Large turn of the century. Old hugger. So nothing new. It's interesting back here. I took the fans that were up here and moved them over because we had some space for them. I don't think they're selling back there. So I moved the white hugger there. This one somebody bought and then returned. So I just put it back out for sale. Moved that one over here. Oh, this one new came in today. This low profile. Everything else here. I don't know. I honestly don't know what that's supposed to happen with that. I don't think so. And then I moved that little Walmart thing there. Emerson's still there. That's still there. I can't believe this Hunter is still there. That's still here. That's still here. This came in and sold already. So, that's it for today.